Hello viewers, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. And since these days I have been taking on topics where we are concerned about the emotional health, so in succession to those videos, today's topic of the discussion is about affirmations. And we need to know what are these affirmations actually and how they are going to revolutionize our lives. So affirmations, they are positive sentences what we constantly need to tell to ourselves in order to have a better emotional health, as well as they also help in getting us a better life. So in certain ways these positive affirmations, they are very important for an individual, because in this fast pacing era of 21st century we are so much stressed out with our professional commitments. Whether students are there, they are working in colleges, lectures, the professional things are there. Apart from them, the common people, the common world, the common man is so much stressed out that he has got no time for himself to take care of himself, what is most aptly called as the self-care. So when we look at the self-care, today we'll be discussing about what are the important points, what needs to be taken into consideration when it comes to self-care. So in the self-care habits, if we make use of positive affirmations, and these positive affirmations, they help us to make our lives better. How? Because if these positive affirmations, if we say loudly,